If you connected a set-top box to your LG Smart TV during your initial setup, which we covered in another video, it should be configured and ready to use with just the Magic Remote. And while we love the streamlined look and feel of the Magic Remote, you'll sometimes need more buttons than we had room for. So there's LG Set-Top Box Control app built into the TV. In fact, when you configured your set-top box during the initial setup, you also configured it to work with this handy control feature. If you skip this step, you can set it up now by pressing the 1, 2, 3 input button near the center of your Magic Remote. When the interface pops up on the screen, click on the setup bar here, which will take you to the device connector. Begin by clicking on the set-top box. On the next page, select which TV input it's connected to, then click Next. Using Universal Control, you can control your set-top box and other devices using just the Magic Remote. Just place them no more than 3 feet from the TV and not behind any doors or inside any drawers. Set up Universal Control on the next 3 screens by selecting your service provider, then your set-top box manufacturer, and finally test to see that you're using the correct remote control codes for your set-top box. Click Done to complete the process. The next time you press the 1, 2, 3 input button, up pops the control interface, which has now been customized to your set-top box and service. You should see the name of your service provider, convenient one-click choices to switch the sport viewing mode on and off, go to the settings or TV inputs, view the channel guide, or your box's menu. You can also switch between audio options and power off the connected box, and just as importantly, you now have virtual 0 through 9 buttons to take you directly to your favorite channels. Just click on the number, then click OK. Click on this down arrow near the bottom, and the virtual remote expands to give you more control options. You can also position the control app interface on the top left or right of your screen by clicking on this arrow. And there you have it. Now you've added the elegance and convenience of LG Smart TV with WebOS to your set-top box.